Unlocking creativity with online mind mapping.
Online mind mapping tools make brainstorming more dynamic, organized, and collaborative. These platforms allow users to visually map out ideas, track their connections, and evolve concepts in real time. Whether you're working alone or with a team, mastering these digital tools can transform the way you approach creative challenges and help turn scattered thoughts into actionable plans.
Getting started, choosing the right tool.
Begin by selecting an online mind mapping platform that fits your needs. Popular options include MindMeister, XMind, and Miro. Consider features like real-time collaboration, templates, export formats, and ease of use. Many tools offer free trials, so explore a few to see which interface and features align best with your workflow and brainstorming goals.
Laying the foundation, basic brainstorming.
Start your mind map with a central idea or problem statement at the center. Branch out with related concepts, keywords, or questions. Don't worry about structure at first. Focus on capturing every idea as it comes. Use colors, shapes, and icons if your chosen tool allows for visual variety. This encourages divergent thinking and sparks new connections between concepts.
Boosting collaboration and engagement.
Online mind mapping platforms excel at team collaboration. Invite coworkers or classmates to join the session, allowing everyone to contribute ideas in real time. Use chat, comments, or sticky notes to clarify thoughts or propose changes. Real-time updates and version history help track progress and ensure no idea gets lost during a busy brainstorming session.
Advanced techniques, organizing and refining ideas.
Once your brain dump is complete, use advanced features like drag and drop reorganization, grouping, and linking to structure the map. Highlight key paths, set priorities, and turn ideas into actionable tasks. Attach files, add deadlines, or integrate with productivity apps to keep your project moving forward from brainstorming to execution.
Review and take action.
After brainstorming, review your mind map as a group or individually. Summarize key insights and identify the strongest ideas. Many tools allow you to export your map to presentations or task managers, making it easy to share and implement your plans. Regularly revisiting mind maps keeps projects on track and encourages continuous innovation.